Have you ever noticed how intelligent, well-educated people, engineers, consultants, managers, still carry credit card debt? Not because they're irresponsible, but because the system feels normal. Let's explain this with bananas. Imagine your monthly after-tax income is $4,000. In banana terms, that's 4,000 bananas entering your basket every month. Now let's look at where those bananas go. Rent or mortgage, 1,600 bananas. Car payment, insurance, fuel, 600 bananas. Groceries, utilities, subscriptions, 700 bananas. Student loan or other EMI, 400 bananas. We haven't done anything extravagant yet. We're just living a normal middle-class life in the United States or Europe. That leaves about 700 bananas. Now here's where credit cards quietly enter the story. You don't use them because you're broke. You use them because they're convenient. Dinner out? Card. Weekend trip? Card. New phone? Card. Furniture on 0% financing? Card. Suddenly, you've spent 1,200 bananas this month, but your income was only 4,000 bananas. So 500 didn't exist. You borrowed them from your future self. And this is where smart people misunderstand the system, because nothing feels painful. You didn't physically lose bananas, you just tapped a piece of plastic. The money leaves invisibly. Now, let's add simple math. That extra 500 bananas rolls into next month. Interest rate? Let's say 22% annually, very common in the US, slightly lower but still significant in parts of Europe. If you only make minimum payments, that 500 bananas can quietly turn into 650, then 800, then more. But here's the real issue. Next month, you still only earn 4,000 bananas, except now 150 of them are already claimed by past spending. So your new real income isn't 4,000, it's 3,850. And because your lifestyle hasn't changed, you might borrow again. This is how intelligent people end up stuck, not because they're bad at math, but because they separate spending from consequence. Credit cards disconnect time. You enjoy the purchase today. You experience the cost later. And human psychology discounts the future. Behavioral economists call this present bias. We value immediate comfort more than future stability. Even financially literate people fall into this because the system is frictionless. There's no immediate penalty. No one stops you at checkout. Your friends are doing the same thing. Rewards points make it feel productive. You're not in